this.
Austin.
Watch him.
Austin. Watch Grandpa.
Austin. Come over here, Kobe.
Gotta really hang on to him.
Kobe here. Kobe here. Kobe here, Kobe. Oh, can we get that, Kobe? Why are you trapped behind that chair or that table?
Because you can't see what is actually in front of him.
Those dogs are hysterical, aren't they? Yeah. They are such a good time.